Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Yeah.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly. On.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I don't think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh no, no, please don't tell me.
All right, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy! Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh no!
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen! That can't happen! Jeffy, come on! CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy!
Thanks, Daddy.